cake. It's from this brand, Small Business. Hi guys, so it's my brother's birthday this coming Wednesday. I just came from work and today is Monday and we're gonna celebrate his birthday in the weekend. So today it's already July 4 or July 5 in the Philippines already. So my sister already bought him a cake and then I just wanna take a video in a vlog of his cake and his birthday. So here it is. So we're gonna celebrate early. This is his cake. My sister bought. She ordered it from a Small Business, Cosentino cake, and then this one looks like it's a matcha cake. My sister texted me while I was at work that she's saying that there's a cake in the fridge, and I didn't know what it looks like. It looks like this. So it's a matcha cake. That's very different from this year. So. And then from my work, I got some free Chinese food that me and my dad gonna eat today, right now, for dinner. And this is Ben's what looks like now. He's tired from work, so he eats some snack and then he watched his anime, and then he would end up falling asleep here in the sofa. So there you go, the birthday boy. Tired from work. He's adult now. Okay, so this is what his mini setup look like. Look at the matcha cake, and then we got some Chinese food, and then we have tiramisu glass from the event yesterday that we're just gonna eat also. And then my dad made some barbecue that he's gonna cook later. Barbecue, Dad's ultimate barbecue.
Yeah.
That's it. We're gonna eat dinner now. What's the cakes looks like? The cakes look so yummy. My sister always picks the cake, or sometimes she just experiments. So yeah, anyway, we're just gonna eat now. Okay, this is gift for his friends. Buksan mo nga.
This for my shit. You know, when you take a shit, you gotta spray. And this, look at this magnificent mother.
What's that?
Yes, this one Indigo, guys.
A book? Ah, manga. Okay, okay.
Right? Maganda.
Okay.
Very much.
So you found your blazer?
Yeah.
You went out like that? Where did you guys eat?
Toro.
Toro. Oh, you went there without me?
Yeah.
So it's nice? It's good?
Yeah, and it's a sort of. I bought it from. This is from Wilson.
Another tote bag. Yeah. Okay, open Papa's gift. I wanna see.
No, this is not Papa's gift. This is kind of.
Ah!
Binabayaran ko naman sa kanya eh.
Ayan na.
I invited myself, friend.
Lahat na.
Oh, lagi na.
Okay, game. Happy birthday to you.
Game.
Wish ko pag 21 ka na, milyonaryo ka na, ha?
Ngayon, libunaryo pa lang. Sumasali, ikaw na muna. Oh.
Wala si Vera yung bumili ng cake. Ayun na. Oh.
Hello.
Ang dami mo photographer, Ben.
Oh, thanks. Anong winish mo?
Sasabihin. Joke lang.
Dito maganda ba yung view mo?
Pangit ang view dun, oh. 1, 2, 3, go. Wish na.
1, 2.
Picture taking. Dami yung...
Ayun!
Wow! My goodness! May parisibo pala sa ilalim.
Ano yan?
Kaya sabi ko ba't may resibo sa iyo?
Ay! Yung bayad na sa sakyan nga eh.
May kwenta dyan, Sento.
Kala ko may resibo yung dumikit.
Ako, magkano ko na ito?
Sabi niya, Gisal, yung resibo eh.
May resibo. Eh, kako ayon natin.
May resibo, ba't may resibo?
Dalawang resibo, kako.
Patingin nga, Benz.
Ay, wow,
May pa-brown, may pa-brown.
Oh!
Ah! Wow! Wow!
Tapos eh.
Ano? Pero pinawagan natin si Kylie, ano?
Night trip, guys. Road trip. Happy birthday. We're gonna celebrate your birthday till 12. We're gonna celebrate your birthday till 12.
Thank you.
They can see you. Close your eyes. Okay, dark.
Yep.
That's it. Thank you.
That's it.
Just little donuts.
Rabbit! A rabbit! A rabbit! A rabbit!
Pag rabbit malaki yung tinga. Ang galing ako.
Trip at night.
Meron pala dito.
Views can you look at when it's exact in the dark? So yes, this.
Oh, can you take a picture here?
Trip at night. Of birthday.
I wanted to take a picture on that.
Naman, hindi ko ito nabot.
So, picture kita ka sa yung picture na yung camera ni Papa? O okay na to?
Oh, pwede.
Sige, yun na lang.
Yan, nagkukuya-kuy pa.
Akin na yung phone niyo pa. Wala, ang tagal ni Kyle. Iniwanan talaga ata tayo ah.
Game na, oh, yan.
Malapit, malayo. Okay, 1, 2. Magagalaw. Wala, nakatigit. Ulit. Huwag kang gagalaw ng mga 2 seconds kasi recording. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, another pose. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Don't move.
Ba't madilim naman kuha na ito?
Okay, hindi straight. Okay, doon kayo pa. Kung gusto nyo.
Tingin.
Ah, dito pala maliwanag, oh, ganda.
Siyempre against the light.
Ah,
At gusto mo ako.
ito pala.
Pakibilisan, be. Nagkakamasal na ako eh. Okay, game. Tras pa? Anong gusto maganda ako sa bahay? Ang picture na ako doon sa bahay?
Yeah.
Okay, game. Yan. Limin ho. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ang damit flash na gayam na eh. Nilagyan ba?
Hindi.
Paano ba tanggalin? I don't know how to remove the flashing. It's okay, don't move. You can do this. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Kaya ganun. Wow, be oh.
Nag-hiking na sa ako.
Para lang tayo nag-hiking sa Kaunlaran, be oh. Diba? Yan na yung view.
Tanawan, din ka na.
Mas mataas.
Of course, it's not too high, but high enough to see the view. Right?
Yeah, dito na tayo sa peak.
Huwag kami ingay.
Masan? Pag ito mo punta mag-relax talaga. Oh.
Nice breeze.
Ano ba to? Ano to? Trivia lang. Ano ba yun?
I know.
Unang saldo ko sa ano. Last class, may naiiwan na mga chichiryo ng Pinas.
Anong sa tingin mo mas bagay?
We're gonna eat.
With this or should I tuck it in?
I'll put like this. Outfit check! Sabi niyo mo kami.
Wow, ganda.
Thank you. Ayos lang. Hi! Problemado na kayo sa bayarin? Ay, hindi niya makita. Guys, na pagkakamalan akong server dito.
Kakulin yung ako.
Yung silbi.
Kakulang. Budget. Gift for yourself.
So, we're gonna order ano. Friend ng birthday niya.
Here's the menu, guys. So we are at Moxie's. Yung tatay mo umorder, malabo yung mata.
Yan may plus point eh.
Appetizer.
Baka yung mag yung sabi.
Unlimited yung bread.
Unlimited yung bread. Yung bread na kayo mag-ano.
Ulitin mo yung joke para nakakatawa.
Ayoko na.
Ulitin mo yung joke.
Masyado ka nang ano.
Oo, eh. Parang
Sarap yarn. Here's the food. Steak. Pasta.
Kinuha mo.
Make sure everyone's got everything they
Lala, hirap na hirap po, hirap na hirap po.
para picture na.
Ganda kasi ito dahil.
Huwag mo munang buksan.
Buksan ko na, wala ka na.
Kamusta naman sa'yo dyan ba? Okay naman? Wala oh. Todo. Wala, nagkitikiman sila. Alalala.
Kaya lang, parang, anong tawag mo?
Wala. Baka meron pang Tupperware dyan, ma.
Nagbibigay ng pagkain dun sa natin. Sabi mo namin, gusto mo ba?
Ay, busog na ako.
Gusto mo? Hindi pa naman nagagalaw ang gigid na yan, oh. Happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Ako yung ano?
Masyadong
Fiancé ng pamilya.
Masyadong nakakabusog. Mas maganda yung camera mo.
Ano pong ginagawa niyo? Nagsasarol ko kayo?
Dahil na parang pinya sa
What the bell?
Paano pag namatay yan?
Ito naman, oh, hindi man lang pala yung tubig kapag bago walis.
Nagbababay ka ba? Pag umaalis?
Babay po. Baw mo!
Kaso ka mo, kahit hindi siya naligo.
Wow!
Ilang araw na ba hindi naligo?
Sunday kiss.
Hello?